How to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for a few seconds and again toggle it off. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down. Open the option mobile service. Head towards the option of mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode. Once you check that, you will be good to go. Now heading towards next solution, head back, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down. You will find the option of shutdown, click on it. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the option reset. Select the option of reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Once you reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Now heading towards very last solution, you have to eject the SIM card and reinsert it. After you apply all these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix 5G network not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.